Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, we will go over maintenance details for your gas fireplace. As with all electric and gas appliances, practice safety by making sure your working area is clear and free of flammable items. Next, turn off the power to the igniter. Then, locate your provided gas valve adjustment key and the main gas valve itself, which should be near the fireplace just above ground level. Fit the key into the valve and turn it in the proper direction to shut off the gas leading to the fireplace. Remove the screen and locate the gas regulator valve. Make sure to turn it off as well. There are usually 4 metal clamps which lock the glass shield into place. Undo the bottom 2 first, then the top pair before you remove the glass panel. Clean the glass with some mild soap and water. And avoid using ammonia-based cleaners. The more you use your gas fireplace, the more regularly it will require cleaning and maintenance. If your fireplace is not used for long periods, air may seep into the gas line, which may require a process called bleeding. Step 1. Open the flow of gas by turning the main gas valve back on. Step 2. Turn the gas regulator valve in and turn it to the pilot or ignite position. Step 3. Push the gas regulator knob in all the way while simultaneously pressing the igniter switch until the pilot ignites in your fireplace. Step 4. Hold the gas regulator button down for about 30 seconds, then turn the knob to the on position. This could take a few minutes. Just be cautious when working with this or any other gas appliance. If your fireplace is in the off position and you smell or hear a gas leak, evacuate your home and call 911. For more information, see your fireplace manufacturer's product care guide.
Taylor Morrison. Homes inspired by you.